Oh, hi. So I made a video the other day. It was about the pendulum. If you haven't seen it, go back and have another look. I'll link to this video down below. But in that video, I talked about different levels as you climb up those pendulums. So what are those different levels? Well, the first level is about having something. It's about survival. You need air, you need food, you need shelter, you need sleep, and you need warmth. So if you haven't got something, then you're not going to progress to the next level. The next level is about stability. It's about having safety, security, money to be able to do things. It's being able to have that connection to something that lights you up. But of course, if you haven't got the safety, you've got nothing. The third step in the thing is all about a connection. You need a connection with yourself inside, but you also need a connection to other people. Because if you haven't got that connection, then without this connection, nothing works. So once you're plugged in, then things sometimes work. But if it's not a secure connection, then that's not stable either. So you need to work on this. So these are all the safety, the foundations of your life, it's the first level of where you are. And if you haven't got that first level, if you haven't got that first level, then you're always moving away from pain. You're always trying to move away from that. You're always trying to move away from something in your life. So therefore, you're never actually moving towards what you want. And that's what the next three levels are all about. So when you have those safety things and everything's starting to happen in your life, you're not moving away from things again, that's when you start to build trust in yourself. These levels are a little bit different to the first ones. They're not moving away. They're more about going inward and looking at yourself and going, can I trust myself? And sometimes that's the hard thing, because it's like, it stopped working before. Is it just going to happen again? But it's having trust that what you fix is actually working and changing for you. Because at the end of the day, it's just a plug that's a bit loose. And you're like, how easy is that to fix? But in this case, very easy. And then having trust in yourself is knowing that when you are connected, you're safe and secure, you're actually present. When you pull the trigger, it actually works every single time. And that takes trust and builds trust up. And once you have that trust, then you know that you can go off and you can actually start cleaning floors. You can actually start doing the things that you're supposed to do. And then you have that trust, you can actually go, I don't need them in myself anymore. I can give them to other people. So I can now take this, well, I can actually go give it back to the customer, but I can take this tool and go and do something valuable with it, or the customer can go and do something valuable with it. They can actually go and do the thing that they're here to do. And it's these levels that you go up, and each one is swinging like a pendulum. But if the bottom pendulum, the safety, the security is not centered, is not stable, then none of this other stuff, you can't go out and help other people. And that's where a lot of the times people will go, if I'm helping someone else, then I'll be all right, but you're not. You've got to do that work on yourself, because otherwise it's always going to be there. You're always going to have that anxiety come up. You're always going to have that fear come up. So yeah, be present, have trust, and then you can go forward. If you like this video, hit the like button and maybe subscribe, or even check out our website and have a look at that and see what else I do. It's something that's worked for me. It's something that's really helped me get to where I am, and now I'm helping to share that with other people. I've been through all of these levels, and I'm at the stage now where it's like, yeah, I've got trust in myself. I trust that I can do the thing that I'm supposed to do, and so therefore I'm now ready to help other people with it and help them move forward to bring them up. So we'll see you again soon. Thanks.